A very cool place to visit in the Dixie National Forest is the summit of Bryan Head. This 11,312-foot tall mountain is the highest point on the Marquigant Plateau in southwestern Utah. Just below us is the town of Bryan Head, Utah's highest incorporated town. The views from this mountaintop are amazing, even in the hazy smoke-filled air. It is said that on a good day, the view is well over 100 miles in distance, which would include views of Nevada to the west and Arizona to the south. The 2.5 mile road up to this summit is a dirt, semi-improved National Forest road. A vehicle with high clearance is highly recommended. The road climbs about 1,000 feet from Scenic Byway Utah 143 and contains large rocks. Personally, I drove a Toyota Corolla up this road and it was sketchy at best, but didn't run into any issues. Off in the distance, you can see Cedar Break National Monument. Cedar Breaks is a natural amphitheater, stretching across 3 miles with a depth of over 2,000 feet. The elevation of the rim of this amphitheater is over 10,000 feet above sea level. The rock of this amphitheater is more eroded than, but otherwise similar to, formations at nearby Bryce Canyon National Park, Red Canyon that Utah 12 drives through in the Dixie National Forest, and select areas of Cedar Mountain in Utah 14. In the smoky haze, you can view the backside of the plateau that Bryce Canyon National Park sits upon. These plateaus are the final steps of the Grand Staircase, and starts the larger Colorado Plateau that spans all the way back to Grand Junction, Colorado. On my drive here along All-American Road National Scenic Byway Utah 12, we were dealing with 90-degree heat and a few rain showers. But after climbing Bryan's Head, the temperature dropped to the upper 40s and we had some sun pop out. The wind was blowing hard from the west, so I didn't fly my Mavic Air 2 very far from the top, but amazingly you can't even tell with how stable the footage is. This is the highest elevation I have ever flown my drone, and here are a few things I noticed. The drone did fly a little differently in the less dense air. It took just a little bit longer for it to spin up and take off, but once it was up, it adapted quickly. The maneuvering was a little different too, so just take it easy if you're planning on flying at an elevation like this. Also, an annoying warning kept popping up and blocking my screen, warning me that I was flying at a high elevation. Apparently, the app assumed I teleported here and I was unaware that I drove up to the top of an 11,000-foot mountain. But it was a cool experience flying a drone below me most of the time instead of above me, like most flights around the flatter terrain where I live. Well, that's all I have about to add to this flight from Bryan Head Summit. Plus, the drone video here speaks volumes itself, so I'm just going to let you finish my unedited flight. I hope you all enjoyed watching this as much as I did making it. Well, thanks for watching. Leave a comment or hit that like button to let me know you were here. And hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because I have a lot of cool things in the works. But for now, thank you for your support. And until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.